Waking up to this view in a one-bedroom grand suite on Mariner of the Seas, with a separate bedroom and a spacious living area, and a balcony made for moments like this.
Okay, finally we've made it to our room, 116. The rooms are open. Very good. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh. Yep, it's the opposite. Welcome to Mariner of the Seas, one bedroom grand suite, deck 10, room 1298. Here we have our beautiful foyer. And with our hotel director, Robert Taggart, which we love, we have a picture with him. Our fruit bowl. You have storage and a safe. You have more closet space. These come down to give you more hanging space. You have plenty of drawers. The one bedroom grand suites are very spacious. You have plenty of drawers. It comes with the Lavazza coffee. We have a bottle of water. Okay, here's the bathroom. It's spacious, much larger, as you can see, than the regular balcony rooms. It has a tub, double sinks. It has the different shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Okay. Now we come out here and we have a sitting area with a couch. And this couch folds out into a bed. How about that? Instead of a couch. The two chairs, the tables, it has a phone over there. Here is the bed. They're twin beds, but we have them put into it. It's supposed to be a king. We have the sitting area, plenty of storage over there. You have, it looks like, 2 European plugs over there. Is that all the plugs they have? And then two US, 2 European plugs. So you're limited on plugs. There are no plugs over here by the beds, but let's just see. Sometimes they have here. Well, here's a charger, I think. What is that, USB? So you do have a charger on the phone. Okay, so the balcony for the grand suite does not open near the bed. You can just look out. This one, now, let's see. Here we go. And it has a nice table for door hanger meals. It has a little table and it has the 2 lounge chairs. And this looks like it's a connecting balcony. They could open that if you had that. And that is the one bedroom grand suite on Mariner of the Seas. If you would like to see more from Mariner of the Seas, tap into the playlist on your screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise room tours and adventure.